Discover how to increase your energy, lose weight, and feel better than you ever have with a smoothie a day. Do you ever wake up in the morning feeling a little less than energetic? If you're like most people, you likely feel downright bleh most mornings. And it doesn't get much better as the day presses on.
Surprise, motherfucker!
By mid-afternoon, most of us are ready for a nap. But with work and other obligations, that's rarely a possibility. If you feel tired, stressed and lethargic most of the time, you're certainly not alone. So, what's the answer? Is feeling beat down most of the time just part of modern life? For most people, the answer is yes. But the good news is you don't have to go on feeling that way. There's an underlying reason why you don't feel your best, day after day. And there's a pretty simple fix. It's a little known fact that a majority of people out there are not getting vital nutrients. Without the nutrients that our bodies need, we're not able to function at the levels we're supposed to be at.
No!
In
God,
short,
please,
when
no!
your body is
No!
lacking the nutrients
No!
it needs, it's like a car trying to win a race on empty. Because of our fast-paced lives and the foods we eat, almost everyone is running on empty when it comes to the nutrients that they need. And a large proportion of the food you find at the grocery store is processed. Usually, processed foods are packed with preservatives, sugars, and almost none of the nutrients that we actually need. These empty calories are depleting your energy, making you tired, and literally destroying your health. So, what do you do to turn things around? The bottom line is this: you need more fruits and vegetables in your diet. But walking around with fruits and veggies all day long is incredibly hard to do and inconvenient, right? What if there was a simple way for you to get a hit of everything you need from fruits and vegetables at one time? The good news is, there is. The answer is drinking a smoothie each and every day. When you wake up and have a smoothie made with vegetables and fruits, you'll get most of the nutrients that are missing from your diet at one time. And when you drink smoothies, nutrients absorb well. Smoothies are really convenient and portable, perfect for you if you're busy. And they taste great. When you drink a smoothie daily, you'll quickly notice a big boost in energy. You'll lose the extra weight you're carrying quickly. And you'll also improve your overall health. Although smoothies are great, you can't just start throwing stuff in a blender and expect to get all the benefits that smoothies provide. The key to getting the maximum health and wellness benefits with smoothies is all about adding the right ingredients at the right quantities. Make the right kinds of smoothies and you'll have an abundance of energy, feel great, and improve your health. But if you try to wing it and just throw some stuff in a blender, you might actually find yourself doing more harm than good. Over the years, I've put together some of the best smoothie recipes and been able to get some great results. Today, you'll have your chance to get the ultimate guide to making life-changing smoothies for yourself. Inside, you'll discover how smoothies can transform your health, why nutrients are so important and the big problem we have with our modern diets, the danger in consuming too many empty calories and how they're destroying your health, why smoothies are a great solution and what to expect when you start drinking them, how to get the most out of smoothies and avoid harming yourself with the sugar found in many smoothies, the 5 keys to a perfect smoothie, how to supercharge your smoothies and get even more from them, how to create energy and defense smoothies that boost your immune system and quickly improve your health, Supercharge your morning with the morning wake-up smoothie. The power of the prep and pick-up smoothie. Easy smoothie recipes that don't require many ingredients and are easy for anyone to make for a quick boost. Simple recipes for brain fuel and breakfast smoothies. An awesome bedtime smoothie recipe that will have you soaring logs in minutes. The perfect smoothie for hangovers. And an entire section of smoothies for weight loss, building muscle, burning fat, and getting the most out of your body. Plus a whole lot more. This guide will give you everything you need to burn excess fat, boost your energy, and improve your overall health. These smoothies taste great and are extremely easy to make when you get your hands on my guide. At this point, you may be wondering if this guide is really for you. If you answer yes to any of these, you need this. You're looking to lose weight. You find yourself dragging out of bed in the morning. You don't have enough energy to get through the day most days. You know you're not eating as well as you should, and you're looking for any easy way to supplement your diet. Or you're simply looking for a proven way to improve your health. When you grab my guide today, you'll get everything you need to lose weight, quickly boost your energy, and improve your overall health. With smoothies that are fast, easy, and taste amazing. Results come quickly, and you can start feeling a boost in your energy levels and overall health right away. And what's really great about this guide is the price. Although you could easily invest $500 plus to hire a nutritionist to create smoothie recipes like these for you, you won't pay anywhere near that today. For a very limited time, you can get access to this for less than you'd spend on a few days at the gym. To get started and lock in your special pricing, click the Add to Cart button below. And it's about to get even better. When you take action today, you'll get access to some extremely valuable Fast Action bonuses. Fast Action bonus number 1 is a cheat sheet that breaks down the guide into some very easy to follow step-by-step methods getting the most out of daily smoothies. This cheat sheet makes it easy to stay focused and committed to drinking a smoothie each day. Fast Action bonus number 2 is a mind map that gives you an overview of everything inside the guide. It's great for those people that need to see it all laid out in a visual format. Fast Action bonus number 3 is a resource guide that conveniently lists all of the important tools and resources you need to get the most out of your new smoothie lifestyle. And Fast Action bonus number 4 is a beautiful infographic that illustrates exactly how to boost energy and improve health with daily smoothies. And to make this a total no-brainer, you don't even have to decide today. You get a full 30 days to test drive this life-changing smoothie guide to make sure this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply let me know and I'll promptly refund your tiny investment. Don't delay. If you come back tomorrow, the price may be higher and this may not even be available. If you're ready to lose weight, boost energy, feel better than you ever have and improve your health, this smoothie guide is for you. Click the button below to get instant access and get started today.